Spacious and updated, this 4-bedroom, 2-bathroom home with almost 3,200 finished square feet has a 3-stall garage and is nestled on nearly half an acre in Sartell, complete with maintenance-free siding, soffit, and fascia. The expansive living room opens to a grand formal dining area that leads to a large, fully screened-in deck overlooking the backyard, complete with a patio and firepit, perfect for entertaining or relaxing. The recently updated kitchen shines with granite countertops, a breakfast bar, stainless steel appliances, a modern backsplash, updated light fixtures, and a custom-built pantry. The flooring throughout the main level common areas is only a few years new, and brand new carpet is being installed in the family room. Upstairs, you will find 2 oversized bedrooms, including a primary bedroom with a walk-in closet, as well as a full bathroom featuring tile floors, a jetted tub, and a walk-in shower. The lower-level walkout boasts a spacious family room, laundry room, 2 additional bedrooms, and a second bathroom. The fully fenced backyard, mature trees, and convenient horseshoe driveway add to the home's appeal. With its private setting, low-maintenance exterior, and convenient location in Sartell, this home offers both